Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete old backups on your iPhone. To delete old backups on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. So once you get to your settings, then you want to tap on your name. That is your Apple ID name at the top. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on your Apple ID name, the next thing you want to do, you want to tap on iCloud over here. So let's tap on iCloud. So once you tap on iCloud, it will load up another page for you. So on this page, this is what you want to do. If you check the top here, you're going to see where it says storage. So you want to tap on that manage storage. Let's tap on that storage. So once you tap on that storage, it will load up the storage or the backups that you have on this iPhone. So once it loads up, the next thing you want to do over here, so you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see where it says backups. I want you to tap on that backups. So once you tap on that backups, it will load up this page for you. Once it loads up this page, it will load up all the backups you have. As for this iPhone, I have only one backup, and it is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you're just going to tap on the device that you want to delete. Let's tap on this device. You only have one. So once you tap on the device you want to delete backup from, you can see, if you check the bottom, you can see where it says turn off and delete from iCloud. You just want to tap on this delete from iCloud. Once you tap on it, the backups will be deleted from this your iCloud. So guys, this is how you can actually delete old backups from your iCloud. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.